Hello students, welcome back to the new lecture. In this lecture, I am going to tell you that how can you get rid of acne with home remedies. Acne is an annoying skin condition that occurs in everyone from kids and teenagers to adults and elders. Thankfully, acne is fairly easy to deal with and there are a massive amount of home remedies you can use to get rid of your unwanted pimples. So, students, for getting rid of acne with home remedies, I will tell you 5 important methods. And in this lecture, I'm going to tell you the first method. So, the first method is washing your face properly. For it, select the right cleanser. You will want a gentle face wash that is non-abrasive. Make sure that any product you use is free of alcohol to prevent further skin irritation. If you are unsure of what the best cleanser for you would be, ask your dermatologist for a recommendation. Wet your face within lukewarm water. Cold water will close up your pores. While washing your face, you will want your pores opened so dirt, oil and bacteria will flow out of your skin. Apply the cleanser to your face. Be sure to only use your fingertips when applying the cleanser. A washcloth or sponge will irritate your skin. Do not scrub your skin while washing your face. This will also irritate your face. Just apply the cleanser and allow it to sit for a minute or so. Rinse with lukewarm water. Again, make sure to use warm water to keep the pores open and allow dirt and bacteria to flow out of your skin. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Do not rub your face with a towel. This can irritate your skin. Rubbing will also spread around bacteria and dirt, making your acne worse. Instead, just gently pat your face with the towel. Apply a moisturizer if necessary. While many people with acne would avoid moisturizers, your skin still needs moisturize to stay healthy. Washing your face can lead to dryness. If you notice redness, burning or itching, your skin may be dried out. Gently apply an oil-free moisturizer with your fingertips to help fight dryness after washing. Limit washing twice a day or after sweating. While it may seem like more washing would be better for your acne, this is not true. Washing too much will strip your skin of essential oils, which will dry out your skin and can even lead to premature aging. Repeat these steps only twice a day, morning and night. You should also wash your skin after sweating since this can lead to breakouts. So students, it was the first method for getting rid of acne with home remedies. I will tell you the second method in the next lecture. So see you in the next video.